In the heart of Nosara, Costa Rica, this home sits atop a mountaintop, surrounded by lush, tropical greenery and offering breathtaking views of the ocean and nearby mountains. Designed as a serene escape from Canadian winters, this residence embraces a modern tropical aesthetic while fostering a deep connection with its natural surroundings. The concept revolves around simplicity. The geometric design frames the stunning vistas, reducing the architecture to its essentials. This minimalist approach emphasizes the seamless interaction between the indoor spaces and the surrounding landscape, blurring the boundaries between built and natural environments. The design balances elegance and functionality. Lightweight and airy, the structure appears almost fleeting on the mountaintop, while its robust frame anchors it firmly to the site. Social spaces extend effortlessly from the interiors to a spacious terrace and a swimming pool, creating a fluid transition between indoor and outdoor living. On the upper floor, private areas provide tranquility and exceptional views, connected by a double-height atrium that fills the interior with natural light and enhances the sense of openness. Local materials, such as wood, were combined with modern elements like concrete, steel, and high-performance glass to create a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary innovation. This union brings warmth to the minimalist design while maintaining a refined aesthetic. This retreat embodies a seamless fusion of elegance and simplicity, offering its inhabitants a profound connection to nature and the perfect escape in the heart of Costa Rica. Sustainability was at the core of the project. A raised volume above the living areas encourages cross-ventilation, while the central atrium creates a chimney effect, efficiently expelling hot air from the upper floor. Rainwater collection and reuse systems, solar heating, and energy-efficient treatments minimize resource consumption. Prefabricated elements ensured a lighter construction footprint, preserving the site's natural beauty.